One of the biggest challenges for me as a student was winning a hackathon that was held by university. The hackathon was only running for 24 hours, and we need to create an application in these 24 hours. Also, all the group members were assigned randomly, so we didn't know each other before at all. I asked my group mates to introduce themselves based on their major and also interests. Then we brainstormed on what kind of application we are going to create. Eventually, we decided to create an app that could decide if something is recyclable or not based on image recognition and also barcode scanner. Then I divided the role based on each person's skill. For example, I can code, so I was working on the back end. For example, I link the database with our software by using APIs. And other two technical people were working on the front end. A person who studied business was just responsible for creating a presentation and also trying to write up a pitch. Eventually, we finished this app in 24 hours, and we had a presentation. The judges were very impressed by what we've done in those short 24 hours, and we won the first place. We were very happy, and I'm still friends with my group mates so far. In my resume, I only mentioned the technical part of me. But besides that, I also like to play drums and dance salsa. During my high school and university's degree, I was a part of a band. I was playing drums, and we loved to perform in concerts, like university concerts. And I really enjoyed the time that we were performing together. However, nowadays everyone is pretty busy. They need to find a job, they need to continue their study. But we are still pretty good friends with each other. Also, in my spare time, I will also practice my drum skills so I wouldn't forget about it. When I was interning at Murdoch Children's Research Institute, I received a brand new project which was called Discrete Event Simulation. I had no idea how to start because it's actually a brand new project, which means no one has done anything about it before. I have to start from very beginning towards the end. I asked my supervisor for some help. Then he gave me some papers to read so I can understand what discrete event simulation is. Then I searched up online on Arena Simulation, which is the software my supervisor asked me to use. I searched up on how other people use this software. Then I followed other people to start to create some small models. Once I've done something interesting, then I will show my supervisor. If my supervisor said it's great and keep going, then I will just keep going. Eventually, I created a huge model, which contains all the things that I need. And this model could predict and simulate the recruitment process for hospital recruitment. I also coded a Java animation for people who wasn't from a technical background, so they can understand what my project was doing. Then I had a presentation on my project in front of everyone from the research institute. Everyone was pretty surprised by my project, and I was very satisfied about what I've done during my internship.